There is always that fear of starting an initiative because you are not 100% sure if the intended audience will have the interest. I didn't let that fear stop me from initiating the idea of helping non techs transitioning into AI and data roles. That bold step is paying off with very attractive event numbers. Organizing events has been the ideal approach to create awareness of what my team and I at Graffiland are doing. Today, I would like to share with you some of the achievements and milestones we have reached. We have successfully organized about 9 events, each successful in its own terms. These events have covered a range of topics such as data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, statistical analysis, just to name a few. Our events don't fail to attract a plethora of audiences. We have had a total of 223 registered event members. 206 of them have registered for our event for the first time. As expected, our events have attracted more professionals, 56.5%, but they have also been a source of curiosity and interest for university students and recent graduates. We try to reach out to as many people as possible through various channels. WhatsApp has been outstanding for us. Interestingly, we have had quite a good number of referrals from you. This means a lot to us. Keep sharing the good news so we can continue impacting non tech professionals who want to transition into AI and data. We are also present on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Truly speaking, if you are connected to the internet, there are no geographical boundaries. Technically, we have had participants from every continent, including Australia, which we least expected. Numerically, European and African residents have been our top two sources of registered event participants. I'm proud to say we are global. With all these wonderful things happening at Graffiland, wouldn't you want to be part of this great community? To celebrate our achievements, we have launched a campaign to help 10 known tech professionals to secure AI and data jobs before the end of 2024. The spots are limited to 10. Either scan the QR code or use the link in the video description to seize a spot for a free 1 hour career discovery session with me. If you are a non-tech professional interested in transitioning into AI and data within 3 to 6 months, guaranteeing yourself 10 to 50% increase in salary, then sign up by scanning the QR code or using the link in the description so you don't miss out on any important information and upcoming events. Thank you all for your support. Keep your eyes open for more interesting offers coming your way soon.